An embryo is the early stage of development of a multicellular organism, typically from the moment of fertilization to the end of the 8th week of pregnancy. During this stage, the embryo undergoes rapid growth and development, forming major body organs and systems. In humans, the embryo stage is divided into several phases. 1. Zygote, fertilization to 5 days. 2. Blastocyst, 5 to 14 days. 3. Gastrula, 14 to 21 days. 4. Embryo, 21 to 56 days. After the 8th week, the developing organism is called a fetus.